Do you believe that only vigorous exercises like running or going to the gym help in improving your leg circulation? Well, it's not so. Today, I will share with you 7 very simple to do exercises which you can do sitting or standing in your own home. And no, you will not need any special equipment or instrument. Neither do you need the presence of a trainer or a physiotherapist to help you with these 7 exercises. So let's get started. Calf muscles play a very important role in improving the vein circulation. The first exercise is calf raises. Stand with your feet shoulder apart and raise your heel. Try to hold them and take them down. You can see these calf muscles are now activated. Keep doing it gradually for 8 to 10 repetitions. With every calf pump, you should actually feel the stretch in your calf muscles, and the movement at the ankle is also improved. And each calf pump that you do will increase the blood flow almost 15 to 20 ml per pump. If you find that doing calf raises without support is difficult, you can also use such a chair or a table, and with the support, try to raise your calves. These are simple knee bends, very simple, effective exercises that work in your thigh and your hip muscles. If you find it difficult, you can keep your hands ahead and balance your body while doing this simple knee bends. The knee bends give a good exercise to your thigh muscles, the quadriceps in front, and the hamstrings behind. Squats is an extension of knee bends, and to do a correct squat, this is the posture you should follow. Stand with your feet shoulder distance apart. You may use your hands to balance the body. Try to bend your knees slowly and your hip behind, as if you are trying to sit on an invisible chair behind you. These squats give you wonderful exercise for your thigh as well as the hip muscles. And they are very important not just for circulation, but for flexibility and strength of your lower limbs as well. If doing squats is difficult, this is the other technique you can use. Hold on to a support of a chair or a table in front of you, and then bend your knees, make your hips go behind as if you're trying to sit on another invisible chair behind you. The muscles, when used for exercise, also need stretching to prevent stagnation of blood flow within them. And these are 2 very important, useful, simple stretching exercises that you can do. The way that you stretch your muscles is try and keep your leg bent and hold them with your hand. And while you're doing it, you can actually feel the stretch in your thigh muscle here. That's the quadriceps muscle. The other stretching which is useful for your calves is this, which is the calf stretch. So while you're doing the stretch, and keep your knee bent, touch the foot touching the hip, and with your hand you can actually pull it upwards and forwards, and you can feel the stretch right here in the quadriceps muscle. This is how stretching for the calf muscle can be done after you have had a lot of calf raises exercises. Keep your foot supported onto a chair or a wall and try to bring your leg ahead. You will able to feel a stretch within your calf muscle. Then let it relax. The stretching can also be combined with just simple raising the leg and let it be free and relieving it of the stress or tension. These are very simple exercises, effective even for the elderly people who find it difficult to do the other exercises. These are called as ankle pumps. The way you do it is be seated on a chair with your thigh entirely supported. Raise your leg above the ground and just ensure full movement at the ankle joint. You can do it with both the legs together, or you can do it one by one and give more focus on each movement. Your aim should be to have 15 to 20 of these repetitions on either side. The 6th exercise is leg curls, something that probably gym goers would have done. Leg curls are another fantastic exercise to improve your stability and the coordination of your back of the thigh muscles, that is the hamstrings and the calves. But it is better to do these leg curls under supervision. To do the leg curl correctly, lie face down on a surface and bend your knees. Bending your knees, try to take them as near to your hips as possible with the weight. Hold the contraction briefly and then gradually release and straighten the knees. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions of these leg curls, and you may increase the weight as you feel more confident. Leg curls should be done under supervision or with some support because they are a difficult exercise to do, especially for the elderly people. Coming to the seventh and most simple exercise which I would always recommend is walking. That is my favorite exercise for circulation, not just for the benefits it gives in terms of blood flow, but overall improving your weight, your fitness, and your heart as well as lung conditions. Unlike any of the more complex exercises that you probably have seen or heard, walking is the simplest and comes naturally to all of us. When you do walking correctly, the rhythmic movement of the lower limb bodies, right from the foot, the ankle, to the calves, to the thighs, to the hips, goes in a very sequential manner, helping improve the circulation to a very good extent. Regular walking not just helps with varicose vein patients or patients with vein problems, but it is also beneficial for people who have blockages in their leg arteries. The way walking helps here is, it improves what are called as collaterals or smaller blood vessels which grow within your muscles, making them immune to the reduced blood flow. To get maximum benefits out of walking, aim at doing 30 minutes of walking at least 5 times a week. The walking can be done as a brief walk in your neighborhood, in your garden, along with friends or family, or you can also do it at home or in the gym on a treadmill. The important part when you do walking is not to be at a leisurely or easygoing pace. You need to make sure that you do give some amount of stress to your body, a controlled stress to not just your leg muscles but also to your heart rate. And if you can walk while improving or increasing your heart rate within the desired levels, then it is also cardioprotective as well. It helps improve the condition and strength of your heart. So by making walking a very regular routine of your active lifestyle, this can prove to be a really important and essential ingredient in your leg circulation and your cardiorespiratory fitness. If you are aiming at increasing your leg circulation by almost 74%, I'm sure you wouldn't miss this video.